our 6th annual Toast Twirl Workshop. It is our Spring Soirée, and we are so excited to come back, especially after COVID, seeing all these ladies. We're doing some fun stations. We have Amanda B. Florals. The ladies are learning how to create their own cozies. We have Tea Sip, where the ladies are blending their own teas. We have Palace Party showing us how to garnish a cocktail, and the cocktails are delicious. And then, of course, we want to thank Burdlife for their beautiful space and hosting us. We have a bunch of other sponsors that we're just so grateful for. Hopeful Event Designs with the linens, Le Grand Cortage with the base of all of our cocktails, their champagnes and rosé. And yeah, it's just a beautiful evening, and we're so happy to be back for the workshop.